Good morning. This is Don Martin with Martin Properties and with thereasonablerealtor.com. Thereasonablerealtor.com is a website. It's a blog. It's a place where you can go get information on selling your house. In fact, if you're in Tennessee, it's a place that you can go and get a flat fee MLS listing to sell your house and save a bunch of commission. Been doing this a little over 36 years, trying to figure out what I am doing, about to learn what I'm doing in 36 years. Now I'm trying to figure out a YouTube. Obviously, not totally professional at it yet, but I'm going to crank out a few till I get better at it. So bear with me. I appreciate it. I am licensed and certified in the state of Tennessee to help you sell your house in the MLS from Memphis to Knoxville to Chattanooga to Nashville, all over. I would ask if you feel so led, subscribe to this YouTube channel. There's a red square right over there. If you want to just click on it, that would be great. I would love for you to thumb up this video. I would love for you to make a comment down below in the comment section, oddly enough, entitled the comment section, where I will also leave a link that you can easily reach thereasonablerealtor.com, and you can pull down the services section and see what is all about to have a for sale by owner listing and to be in the MLS. Anyway, I appreciate your time and attention. I will see you tomorrow. Thanks.